Hey guys, welcome back to By the Book. Today we're going to take a look at January 6th. Today was a good day for me, actually. I made back some of my losses from last week, and I actually got to ride it. I think, how many points here? Yeah, like 30. So 122 points, $30 move for me, which is a really good thing for the start of the year. First trade went pretty bad. Second trade was good. But anyway, let's just take a look at the charts and see what exactly happened. So, as always, we're gonna start off at the 4 hour and then make our way down to the 5 minute to see where exactly we could take these trades. I'll mainly be focused on, the New York session. So between like 8:30, all the way up until noonish, just after noon, 1. Personally, I don't like to trade after 1 because it doesn't move too well. But today it actually moved, quite a bit. But we'll talk about that after, once we look at some possible entries. So if we just look at Sunday, look at where we gapped, which is in this area, and just where we made some highs and lows, and the last lows to the left. We can easily just plot out, where we think it's gonna go. Wait, they moved to the 4 hour. Okay, this is much better. So we got a low down here. Down here, and that's really it on the 4 hour. There's a lot of like space in between here and not much structure to show on the 4 hour, so I'll leave this one here for now. The 21:11. We'll move down to our 1 minute and see what else we see. This 1 minute, there's a bit more structure here, like for what I can see just from the previous days. Support becoming resistance just over here, and then again over here it stayed as resistance. This gap area, I'd call it a supply or demand zone 2, so let's work with this as well. See that, and then let's extend this up here as well too for tomorrow. Okay, so let's move down to the 30 minute, see if there's anything else. Not much else. Like there's some consolidation over here, and then a little bendy staircase action over here, which is very, very beautiful. I love seeing this, straight by. Let's look at the 15 minute. Again, same ideas here. We have a little consolidation here, and then again the push up, and then of course the 5 minute. I love the 5 minute. There's so much opportunities that you can take, especially on like the little breakouts and those little mini zones, and those bendy areas where support or resistance becomes support now, right over there, that you can't really see on the higher time frame because the candle closes right above it. But anyway, let's look at some opportunities that we could have taken on the 15 minute and then also the 5 minute. So for me, one of the bigger opportunities probably would have been, you know what, it's probably a sell over here too. Like just like in my head, like if I didn't see the rest of this, I would probably think to sell, probably down to here in this area, and probably get stopped out, who knows. Usually I go for $5-6 moves. This one would have been, would have been good. This would have been a good move too, right? Because in my head, like I see, if we just look at the last 2 days, we're on our way down, right? If I'm looking for sell opportunities within the day or even within the session, I don't want to wait until, it made that structure, right? Just like over here, came down, made a new low, boop, back up to retest, and then crash down. Sunday happened, we gapped down, We came up, down, new low, back up to last structure, low area, and then back down $5 easy. I think that's kind of where I got caught today too, actually. I could tell you on Sunday night, I believe, yeah, it was Sunday night, I took this trade. This was a sell at 32.20, 32.7, right? Price came all the way down here and I still didn't take profit because I was expecting it to break down below this, but it never did. And then price, what ended up happening is price pulled back up to 32.21 above my initial entry, and then obviously stopped me out. Then what happened was, where was it? Here, I decided to take some sells, right? Because I seen that the sells were looking pretty good. Sorry, I think I just lost myself. 3. So this is a buy, and then I got stopped out. Actually, no, I was actually wrong about that position. Forget what I said over here. Let's just look at what I did today. So today I ended up where am I? So today I ended up taking a sell, and then I got stopped out. So 3216, 3219. Got in at 3216. Got stopped out at 3219. Right, and then after that, once the market opened or got closer to 9:30, I took my buys. The buys I took, I actually held them up until this candle over here, closer to 4 o'clock. The main reason I held them was because, you know, once it broke out of that last structure resistance, I seen some consolidation and it ended up continuing and then building some more structure. Over here, actually, I should have taken another position just because of how well it was going, but I didn't bother doing that. Probably next time I could look at doing that just to gain some more profits, because again, like, this moved up another $5, $10, 15 actually from here, and it's still going up. So, you know, we'll see what happens the next day. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Again, like I said, on the 5 minute, you may see a lot more opportunities. So for example, when market opened, right, we've seen this big bullish move here. If you're too afraid to take the buy because of the amount of risk you're taking, right, because like the last low's down here, which is like bigger than you know, it's an $8-9 move, right? You don't want to set an $8-9 stop loss. So what you can do is wait for it to break minor resistance to the left, and then do a little pullback, which is what it did here, right? Like, you can clearly see it bending, right? Price came up, bent down to support, and then back up, and then even back here too, it bent again, consolidated, and then continued, right? And it's been staircasing the whole time today, which is just, it's beautiful, beautiful thing. So there was another opportunity, and then also over here, and then also you could even have taken it over here too, because price didn't pull down too much after either. So even if you got it in over here at the last, like the biggest bear candle, like, you'd still be fine with a $2.50 stop loss. Where are we going? Yeah, we're probably gonna come up here. If price breaks up again, we make a new high, my buy stop will activate and I'll be in a trade. Yeah, I think that's really it, right? Today was really self-explanatory. Take buys and hold them. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or any comments, concerns, breakdowns you want to share, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again. Bye.